Elsa Speak is an AI-powered app designed to improve English pronunciation and accent, especially useful for TOEFL, IELTS prep. It offers 25,000 plus structured lessons, gives color-coded feedback, and helps users master tricky sounds through phonetic drills. Learners love its accuracy and the gamified experience with progress tracking and daily streaks. However, it's not without flaws. Despite its popularity, Trustpilot rates it just two fifths, with frequent complaints about bugs, freezing, and customer support. Some users on Reddit report being charged up to $176 after canceling the trial, a major red flag. Elsa is excellent if you want precise pronunciation training in American English, but it's not ideal for casual learners, total beginners, or those who prefer natural conversation practice. Also, be cautious with billing and trial cancellation. Final verdict. It is great for serious learners aiming to reduce accent and prepare for exams, but not ideal if you want general fluency, casual practice, or worry about surprise charges.